mid-range phones play it safe. Basic design, average specs, nothing really stands out. The OnePlus Nord 5 though, it flips that script. This is the Nord that grew up. It's confidence, performance-packed and unapologetically premium. But does it deliver beyond the surface? Well, let's get into our full review of the OnePlus Nord 5. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Unboxed by Croma for more such deep dive reviews. Let's kick things off with the design. The OnePlus Nord 5 looks and feels nothing like your average budget phone. We reviewed the marble sands finish, which is platinum silver white, seriously slick. But yes, it is a bit slippery. The flat edges give it a strong presence, and the 8.1 mm thickness with 211 grams of weight strikes a great balance between heft and comfort. It also comes with IP65 protection and Gorilla Glass 7i, but here's the one thing we wish they hadn't changed. There's no alert slider. Instead, you get the new plus key. It's useful, sure, but it's just not quite as iconic. The 6.83 1.5K OLED panel is stunning, and what sets it apart is 144Hz refresh rate. It's smoother than most flagships, which is perfect for scrolling, switching apps or binging your favorite shows. Just a heads up though, 144Hz isn't adaptive. You need to enable it manually and it does impact battery life. Adaptive only works between 60, 90 and 120Hz. The display also shines outdoors with a 1400 nits brightness. And with 3840Hz PWM dimming, it's kinder on your eyes even during late night reading. Bonus, you also get AquaTouch 2.0, which keeps your screen responsive even when your fingers are wet, oily or just over sanitized. Inside, the Nord 5 packs a Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 chip, which has some serious flagship muscle in this mid-range body. With up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage, this thing just flies. Whether you're editing 4K videos, gaming at 144Hz or switching between a dozen apps, the Nord 5 actually handles it all without breaking a sweat. Oxygen OS 15 based on Android 15 keeps things smooth, kind of bloat-free and customizable. And yes, you get 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security updates with this phone. Now I think with the OnePlus Nord 5, OnePlus actually really nails AI. It's not just slapped on, it's quite helpful. The new AI Plus Mind is like a smart memory vault for notes, screenshots and reminders. You also get AI Search that uses natural language, which is pretty intuitive. There's AI Eraser for photobombers, AI Unblur for shaky photos and even call summaries. Plus you get Gemini and Circle to Search integration. See, the OnePlus Nord 5 is less look at our AI and more here's something useful. And that's refreshing. I really like it. Now let's talk optics. The 50-megapixel Sony LYT700 primary camera with OIS delivers consistently sharp results, especially in natural light. Portraits look insta-ready, textures are on point and it nails dynamic range without overprocessing. That is in daylight. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide is usable but not amazing. It's great for daylight but not so much in low light. Up front, the 50-megapixel selfie camera is solid in daylight, but once again it falls short in dim light. Overall, I think for a mid-range phone, the night results are decent. It's just not as good as the daylight results, which is to be expected. Video performance is a surprise win. 4K at 60 FPS is smooth and the EIS-OIS combo holds steady even in a bumpy rickshaw ride. Now this is one place where I think the Nord 5 really shines, and it is battery life. It's got a massive 6800 mAh battery, which gives you 2-day battery life without breaking a sweat. Even with heavy use, it doesn't really matter. This phone is gonna get you through a day, no problem. Charging is no stress. The 80-watt SuperWhoop charger juices it up in under an hour. And this phone also supports 18-watt PD and 33-watt PPS, so you can top it up using your MacBook charger too. So I really think the OnePlus Nord 5 does battery versatility right. So what do I think about the Nord 5? Well, it definitely isn't playing safe. It's bold, confident and checks nearly every box that matters in my opinion. Sure, we missed the alert slider and yes, the selfie camera could be better at night, but overall, this phone is the most complete Nord ever. Compared to rivals like the Nothing Phone 3A Pro and Vivo V50e, the Nord 5 just feels more refined, better tuned and easier to recommend. We're giving it a solid 4 out of 5 stars. But what would you rate it? Drop your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned to Unboxed by Croma for more such reviews. We'll see you in the next one.